Hello friends, how are you? Myself Akram from Unusable again with another video. Today's video is going to be related to a company which have already been started on 8th of this month. So basically over here the company name is Tesla itself, and it has started its company in India with 3 directors. One of them is certified, maybe chartered accountant or whatever, but he was being certified from ICAI Institute in India. The second director is having 2 other companies where those 2 companies are related to automobiles itself, but they are related to softwares. The third person is completely from US itself, and we don't know much about him. So in company name itself, they have written as motors and energy. That means there is possibility that they are not going to concentrate only on vehicle sale, but they may sell energy related products. So over here, before that, very first thing is Elon Musk's Tesla vehicles applicable for India? Very basic answer is no, because over here Tesla cars are included with autopilot, which are not compatible with Indian roads. You might have seen or you might have heard information from Signal Messenger's co-founder that he has said, if you build for India, you build for the world. And it is absolutely true, because if Tesla was built for Indian roads, then it will be applicable for any part of the world. The reason over here is Indian roads are full of traffic and you will not be able to understand who is going in what way, because every second you are going to find surprises. That is the way we drive or we ride. The second thing is the roads are full of speed breakers, and we basically need them, though we ride or drive slow. We need them because government want us to be in a limit of 60 kilometers per hour only and produce a lot of carbon. And obviously government is going to get extra income from taxes. But instead of that, there are possibilities of accidents also. So over here, the thing is Indian roads are full of speed breakers, full of potholes. And even in my area, there is no road actually. There is something called Kacha road, and this is very common in India. So over here you can find that there are so many problems where basic Tesla car will not be able to apply its autopilot mode. And additionally, if they try to apply that, then artificial intelligence तो गया, क्योंकि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को ये भी समझ नहीं आएगा कि कौन किधर से घुस रहा है. एक वीडियो में देखा था कि कोई एक्सीडेंट होने वाला था 2 सेकंड में, वो पहले ही बीप करना शुरू कर दिया. ऐसे तो कंटिन्यूसली बीप करते ही जाएगा. दिस इज वेरी कॉमन थिंग दैट एनी अमेरिकन कैन नॉट ड्राइव और राइड ऑन इंडियन रोड्स, बट any Indian can drive or ride very easily on American roads. And basically Tesla is made for American roads itself, and obviously it will be applicable for many other country roads, but it will not be applicable for Indian roads. So that is one reason over here. And the next thing is they have started with R&D. That is very important thing in India. As these roads are with this problem, they need to start with research and development, and then they need to proceed with what product they need to deliver to customers in India. So basically I would like to say that any foreign company will be successful if they are launching any food product in India related to vehicles. It is not going to be much easier for that, because as per whatever I have seen online related to Tesla Model Y, it is going to cost around 50 lakh rupees. Model 3 is going to cost around 70 to 90 lakh rupees. Other Model X is going to cost around 1 crore rupees, and there is another model, I don't remember, which is going to cost around 2 crore rupees. This is all more expensive when compared to Indian minds, because in India, anyone will be ready to buy a 2 lakh rupee motorbike if it is related to sports bikes. But if it is commuter bikes, then they are not going to spend more than 80,000 rupees. That is very common thing. And in India, if you are going to give any product with more features but at less price, then obviously you will be able to sell as many products or as many units as you want. So over here you will be able to find many cars which are costing less than 10 lakh rupees, and with average number of cars which are costing between 10 lakh to 20 lakh rupees. But there are only few cars which are costing more than 20 lakh rupees, because over here Indians are not going to purchase any car which is costing more than 20 lakh rupees. That is for sure, because they will be able to invest for a flat or a house which is going to cost at least of 25 or 30 lakh rupees, instead of investing in a car which is not going to give them any income. But if they purchase any flat or apartment which is going to cost them around 25 or 30 lakh rupees, then they are going to get income from that, that is monthly rental from that. So this is what the mentality of Indians, and as Tesla has already entered, there is possibility that there is some room for that particular company in India, but over here, if they doesn't go with R&D, then it is not going to be possible for them to launch any product in India. But over here, I would like to say that they will not be able to launch a Model X or Model Y or Model 3 or any other model, because it is not possible for customers to purchase these products, as the product pricing is very high. Tesla Model 3 is costing around 35 lakh rupees, I think, which is based on standard mode in US if we convert it into Indian rupees. But it is costing around 45 lakh rupees if it is long range based when we convert USD to INR in US. But when it comes to India, that cost is going to be double, because India में तो बस गवर्नमेंट के चार्जेस बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं, जैसे कि कस्टम ड्यूटी रहता है. अगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन इंडिया बोला जाए तो तभी भी एक्स्ट्रा टैक्सेस लग जाएंगे. दैट इज ए वेरी कॉमन थिंग दैट इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू चार्ज मोर फॉर लग्जरी कार्स, even though it is not luxury. They will be terming this particular car, that is Tesla cars, as luxury cars, and they are going to charge more, that is taxes will be more. Over here, this is what I can say as of now. So here, this is for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button if you like this video, and please go down below and click on red subscribe button to support my channel. Share it with your friends if you think this video is going to be helpful for them also. So this is for today guys. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Have a nice day, and finally, be different, do different, be unique, and be uncapable.